Okay, so for the first thing with the Civic Sport Touring, the first thing that you get is the leather trimmed interior seats. You also have your rear windshield wiper controller here. And then you also have your automatic sensing windshield wipers here. So right now they're in the off position. So if I go down one, they're in the auto position. So at this point, if it were to start to drizzle or rain, anything like that, it would automatically sense that it's drizzling and raining on the windshield, so it would automatically wipe. And then the further you, if I were to go down another position, it would be low. If I were to go down another one, it would be high. So right now I'm in auto, so if I go back up one, then it's back on off. Okay, so the way that you use Honda satellite link navigation is you can either click the map button here or click the navigation button here. And then at this point, to type in an address, you would hit where to, and then you could click enter search and then type your address in however you want. Or the first thing I like to do with customers when setting up the navigation is program their home address. So if you click go home and then enter my address, at this point, you can put in your home address. So every time that you hit the go home button, it's automatically going to send you home. And if you live in a different state than Rhode Island, the first thing that you're going to have to do is change the state or country that you're in. Because if you don't change the state, then you're going to be looking for a town in Rhode Island. If you were trying to find a town in Mass, you wouldn't be able to find it. And then once you program that in, every time that you hit go home, it's automatically going to send you home. And then back here, you have your heated rear seats with two settings, high and low.